Watch out for me, I'm about to close.
What up, y'all? So we jumping straight into the workout footage this video, doing something a little different. Here was pull day, of course. We did semi-heavy deadlifts. What I was trying to do was find a good sweet spot for my training max, so I ended up doing 225 for 5 reps, which was about 90% of my actual max. And then I did 3 back off sets at 205 for 5 reps. It actually felt really good this day. It wasn't too heavy, but it definitely put me to work. I was tired afterwards. And then we jumped into some close grip pull downs. I did this variation because I always do wide grip pull downs, and I just really wanted to switch it up and try to work on the thickness of my back. As you can see after this, I'm going to go ahead and jump into wide grip, but I still wanted to work that thickness first and get some blood flowing. And this exercise actually felt really good too. I have not done this variation in a really, really long time. So it felt good to kind of switch it up and get back to the basics. And then we jumped right into wide grip pull downs. As you know, every back day I do wide grip pull downs because I'm really trying to increase my width strength again and be able to do some good unassisted pull-ups. What I usually do on wide grip pull-ups is 3 sets of 10 with a heavier weight. As you can see, I do strict form. I don't lean back, over-exaggerate it, and I don't use momentum to pull myself while I'm doing the workout. Then we moved into a superset of face pulls and alternating bicep curls. We did sets of 15 here, so the weight was a little bit lighter. So I do my face pulls like this, but sometimes I switch it up. There's variations of how you can do your face pulls, but when I do it this way, I feel like it just targets my rear delts a little bit more than the other variations. It is the most annoying thing to me in the gym when you're trying to work out and people just kind of stand around and look at you. God, it makes me feel so awkward, but whatever. We jumping right into the dumbbell alternating bicep curls here. I think that's 15 pounds lighter weight, really just getting the blood flowing. You guys know I say it every time, my biceps are huge and I don't need much work on them, so I try to minimize it. And then from there we jumped immediately to assisted pull-ups. So as I said last video, I am doing assisted until I feel comfortable enough doing a good amount of unassisted pull-ups with the correct form. But every time we do the assisted pull-ups, we do decrease the weight. So with this machine, it's a little different. The more weight you have, the less work you're doing. So we decrease the weight to make sure we're doing more work each set. And then to finish off back day, of course, we did rear delt flies on the pec deck machine. We used a lighter weight, 15 reps. And that was it. I really, really, really hope you guys enjoyed the workout. I hope you liked the new intro. That thing is so dope to me. So I hope you liked it just as much as I did. And keep watching for the rest of the footage. We got some of my beach day coming up and the Black History Month festival. So make sure you keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want. I appreciate your support. What up, y'all? So we just got done with an amazing back session, did some pretty heavy deadlifts, and now we are about to go to the beach. We have a battalion event today, and then right after that we're setting up for our Black History Month festival. I'm a part of that committee, so I got to be out there all day setting up. I really wanted to sleep in today, but I had to go and knock this workout out early so I could take care of all this other stuff. But anyway, I guess we should probably change. Can't go to the beach like this, so let's go. Now we're ready to go to the beach. Hey, Lawler! What up? We made it to the beach now. Why do you always want to be in my shot? Don't you worry about it. Come on. No, you got the Texas flag in the background and everything. Hey.
Limo and Gimmo.
We made it to the beach. We finna eat this barbecue. I got something on the lids. And Armstrong keep begging to go in the water. I don't think we're gonna swim, but I'm gonna let her keep.
We're going to swim.
You got something on your lip. Yeah. But look, we got the Texas thing. Got my Texas little headband on. We got the Texas flag flying.
It tastes good.
Oh, that's perfect timing because all the food came out like.
Y'all, this wind is blowing so hard, and I do not want to get in this water and get wet because I'm gonna drown. Because these waves are so bad, you probably can't even hear me. I wish I would have recorded you fall. I'm sorry, she just fell. Oh my God, it's slippery, it's windy, these waves are crazy.
It is. Look at this cameraman over here.
But it's so beautiful out here. It's so beautiful. Don't get in my shoes.
Get away from me.
We out here at the Black History Month Festival now, serving. We're not serving nothing. We're the supply tent with all the cups and the water and the serving utensils. And hey guys,
Oh, she's so pretty.
oh so pretty. Oh, she is so pretty. So we're gonna be at this festival the rest of the night until it's time to break it down. So this is Phyllis May Daly in real life. She over here in costume. There you go. Are you gonna explain your character?
Yes, I am.
Come on.
Hello. I am Phyllis May Daly,
Right.
the first African American woman to be commissioned to the Navy Nurses Corps.
Wow. That's some good stuff. Hey, hey, General Chappie. General Chappie, you gonna explain your character?
Yes,
What is
I am General Chappie, first African American pilot in World War II, Korean War, and instructed and graduated from Tuskegee University in a
Oh,
Bachelor's of Science
man.
in the Jim Crow era.
That's some good stuff right there. That's some good stuff.